just hit it.
Oh, there he is. Ricky Gallagher, he's still alive. And special force. He really looks like him.
All right, we're going through the absolute best. Austin, are you ready to give Luke a shot?
Ready.
All right, here you go. Who are we bringing? How about a stretch hug?
Cheers.
This is anybody that's comfortable enough to take a few open spaces deserves that. Lined up, deep breaths, big swing, follow through. Think of someone with a name, maybe, okay, a girlfriend,
Yep.
boyfriend, I don't know, whatever.
That looks like him right there as well.
We tried to get Gallagher too for that bit, but he is legally not allowed to grow a mustache. We'll be right back. First, let's check in on Michael.
Ow! What'd you do? You just like juiced yourself backwards. What the hell? Man.
That guy had 50,000 volts of electricity coursing through his calm-ass body, and it couldn't be funnier. Imagine how much joy I could bring to the world if I figured out a way to tase thousands of people at once. But Daniel, the wolf